2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes, so
8.
I say good morning to my
1,
people for Obodo Nigeria and Obodo the world where they watch us this morning.
3.
My own name na Papa Jojo.
4.
I don't forget saying our top channel
5.
195. Now you don't do it. Now you follow school like
7.
that. So my brother,
8.
my people, my
1.
sister, my mama, oh
2.
my general people for Obodo
3.
the world and all part of the Nigeria
4.
where they follow us go the way
5.
we go this morning.
6.
You feel if you say, well,
7.
this is way on the do,
8.
and I like to join her, but I don't know how
1.
to take join her. I'll
2.
say congratulations to you.
3.
He get waiting you man they call
4.
improvises.
5.
That one I be say waiting. Get
6.
bottled water. Then maybe
7.
just put on water.
8.
Then the followers go the way we they go.
1.
Even though you know if you get 100% of what they do this morning, but just try to
3.
do at least 60 to
4.
50%. Now you
5.
take go. Meanwhile, as on I don't see person waiting by
7.
myself, and I feel the one that say, now who be this guy
8.
self where they follow and go like this.
1.
In name, now Yusuf, as he
3.
just the followers go with the count.
4.
So my people for Obodo
5.
Nigeria and Obodo the world where the followers go like
6.
that. Just follow your count
7.
straight away.
8.
8. Then with your count
1.
Yes. See the way my guests they
2.
count them. Just the follow.
3.
This one will become
4.
about 5 to 4,
5.
3 round.
6.
Now see the purpose of this one.
7.
This one be say it go help
8.
you pump the
1.
bicep muscle.
2.
You go see the way the hand they flow,
3.
it they go. If you
4.
this yourself feel they follow and
5.
go the way they go, you go see say
6.
the bicep
7.
muscle it they active well.
8.
And with this kind of
1.
program, when you do them,
2.
you don't go feel anything
3.
like joint pain
4.
the way they go.
5.
Yes, you follow your count.
6.
Like that. 7.
7.
Then all on 8. Now you go separate your hand, which means you don't detach the dumbbell. Then you'll go like this. 1. See the way I balance my leg
3.
with your count.
4.
Yes.
5.
My people, now another dimension movement be this one.
7.
The other one where we they
8.
do now the combat movement
1.
for the bicep and tricep muscular work. But
5.
this one now a detachable
6.
movement, single
7.
arms movement
8.
at a different
1.
time. Now so you flow.
3.
3 with your count.
4.
Yes. 5. Now 6. It remain only 2.
7.
Then you got to change.
8.
See the way the hand they go.
1. 2.
Yes.
3.
That one now, you don't
4.
walk, enter your bicep
5.
movement.
6.
7. Then 8. You go. See the movement now. With
1.
your count.
2.
Yes.
3.
My people for Obodo Nigeria and
4.
Obodo the world where they watch us.
5.
You go see, say, meanwhile, if you dey look at the
7.
way they go,
8.
now the shoulder up
1.
movement, now it dey flow
2.
now. Not be
3.
only the bicep again,
4.
not be only the tricep.
5.
Now less
6.
movement, now in the bicep
7.
and the tricep they take.
8.
But this one, now they
1.
work out the shoulder up movement.
3.
And you go need to go down. Because this one,
5.
as you dey work
6.
out for your shoulder,
7.
you dey feel the
8.
impact for your
1.
thighs. And
2.
your thighs muscle, they do
3.
it with your count.
4.
See my leg.
5.
Yes. 6. 7. Then 8.
8.
Now, all are like this. See the way you go. 1. Not let your leg move.
2.
With your count.
3.
Yes.
4.
Hold your dumbbell. 5. 6. Yes. 7. 8. 1. 2. Another second set. 4. 5. 6. 7. Then change straight away to the other side. 1. 2. Like that. 3. My people for Obodo Nigeria and Obodo the world, I really
5.
want to thank you this morning
6.
for this special time when I don't
7.
spend with us on top
8.
channel 195.
1.
My people for Obodo Nigeria and Obodo the world,
3.
you feel they look say this
4.
thing I dey enjoy am for
5.
whether for my friend house,
6.
I be for my
7.
relative house. But
8.
how me out they take enjoy am
1.
personally. I just
2.
want me to just get start
3.
time satellite.
4.
Wait there.
5.
Start time
6.
satellite
7.
and 2 to channel
8.
195 Wazobia
1.
TV. I don't go one waste on time. Until tomorrow again,
4.
we gonna see. They talk
5.
say bye bye. 7, 8, 1, 2. Follow your count.
3.
Yes. 4,
5.
5.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.